Dried mulberries can indeed offer meaningful brain-supporting benefits, and while they don't match blueberries exactly in every area, they hold their own as a valuable functional food, especially when it comes to neuroprotection, energy metabolism, and overall nutrient density. Their unique profile makes them a smart addition or occasional substitute when fresh or frozen blueberries aren't available, particularly if you're looking for more variety in your diet or seeking additional brain-friendly compounds. One of the key advantages of mulberries is their natural content of resveratrol, a powerful polyphenol more commonly associated with red grapes and red wine. Resveratrol has been shown in studies to cross the blood-brain barrier and may help protect neurons from oxidative stress and inflammation, two key drivers of cognitive decline. It also appears to support the function of mitochondria, the energy-producing structures in brain cells, which can be especially important as we age. While blueberries are rich in anthocyanins and other flavonoids that improve memory and delay brain aging, resveratrol provides a different, complementary mechanism of brain support, more focused on cellular longevity and anti-inflammatory signaling pathways like SIRT1. Dried mulberries also provide a notable amount of iron, which is unusual for fruits. This is significant because iron is essential for proper oxygen delivery to the brain, neurotransmitter synthesis, and myelin formation, all critical components of cognitive function, alertness, and mood regulation. Iron deficiency can impair learning, memory, and mental clarity, particularly in women and adolescents. While blueberries are beneficial in other ways, they offer minimal iron. So in individuals prone to deficiency, especially those on plant-based diets, dried mulberries can be a helpful dietary inclusion. Additionally, dried mulberries are a good source of vitamin C, vitamin K, and fiber, all of which contribute indirectly to brain health by reducing systemic inflammation, stabilizing blood sugar, and supporting healthy blood flow. Their natural sugars are paired with fiber, which slows absorption and prevents glucose spikes that could impair cognitive performance over time. The mild, honey-like sweetness of dried mulberries also makes them easy to incorporate into snacks, trail mixes, or breakfast dishes, enhancing compliance for those trying to eat for brain longevity. But there are warnings and limitations. Dried mulberries are calorie-dense and contain more concentrated sugars than fresh berries. If consumed in large quantities, they can lead to excess sugar intake, especially if blended into already carb-heavy meals. They also lack the deep blue and purple pigments, anthocyanins, that make blueberries so effective at reducing neuroinflammation and improving memory in human studies. Blueberries have been extensively studied in this domain, including clinical trials on older adults and children, showing measurable improvements in working memory, attention, and cognitive processing. Dried mulberries, while promising, do not yet have this level of evidence behind them. Another factor to consider is oxidation. Dried fruits, including mulberries, are often exposed to light and air over time, which can degrade some of their sensitive antioxidants, especially if they're not stored properly. Always choose unsulfured, organic mulberries with no added sugar or preservatives, and store them in airtight containers in a cool, dark place to retain their brain-boosting potential. If they smell overly sweet or sour, they may have begun to ferment or degrade, and should be discarded. To get the most out of dried mulberries for brain support, use them wisely. Combine them with nuts, seeds, or yogurt to balance the glycemic load and enhance fat-soluble nutrient absorption. A small handful added to oatmeal or chia pudding can provide a flavorful and functional boost without overdoing sugar intake. You can also blend them into smoothies with spinach or cacao to enhance polyphenol content, or mix them into homemade energy bars for a natural iron and antioxidant lift. In conclusion, dried mulberries are a worthy contender in the category of brain-supportive foods. Their resveratrol, iron, and antioxidant profile contribute to neuronal protection, improved oxygen delivery, and reduced inflammation, all of which are crucial for maintaining mental clarity and slowing cognitive aging. While they don't fully replicate the anthocyanin-rich neuroprotective effects of blueberries, they offer a unique set of benefits that make them a valuable rotation or complement in a brain-healthy diet. Use them intentionally, monitor portion sizes, and combine them with other nutrient-dense foods to amplify their positive impact on cognitive health.